too, okay? And I'm the magician that's up in the painting.
Oh, up there.
Yeah.
There's the painting. Okay.
Yeah, there's the painting. I've been doing magic since I was 9 years old. It's a professional hobby that became a real life profession. About 30 years ago, I was approached by the artist Michael Fajan. I was doing a magic show at a private party on Capitol Hill. He approached me after my performance and said, I'm going to get a commission with the port to do a mural. And when I saw you do magic, that's it. It struck with me. And when I was approached to be in the mural, I was very excited because it's a chance of a lifetime to become part of public art here at Seattle-Tacoma Airport. People always say, how does the mural, high wire, relate to travel? What is the connection between magic and the airport? Magic and air travel have a very, very unique and interesting connection. Traveling by air is a magical experience. You're in one city, and then after a couple hours of flying in this large tube that we call an airplane or a jet, you are transformed to another world, another city, almost as if by magic.